In this example, we show the use of identifiers in a write request between a requestor node and a completer node. A completer is a name given to any component that responds to a transaction it receives from another component. In this example, the requestor is assigned node ID 1 and the completer is assigned node ID 2. The requestor sends a write request to the completer with transaction ID 3. The source ID field gets populated with the node ID of the requestor, and the target ID field gets populated with the node ID of the completer. The completer assigns the transaction ID and source ID of the request to an available data buffer slot. In this example, the request gets assigned to the data buffer ID, or dbID 0. The completer sends a dbID REST message back to the requestor with transaction ID 3, and the dbID field populated with the dbID value 0. The requestor will now send the write data to the completer using the dbID received as the transaction ID. The buffer slot corresponding to dbID 0 now gets deallocated once the transaction has completed.